Visitors traveling to Siem Reap because of Angkor Wat. What is Angkor Wat? Many people who have never been to Angkor think it is only one monument, Angkor Wat. This erroneous thought probably arose because it is the most frequently visited and written about. In fact, hundreds of ancient monuments were built during the Khmer Empire in Siem Reap. Today, let Khmer temples and nature introduce one of the mysterious temples named Baksei Chamkrong. Baksei Chamkrong, a small stunning Hindu temple located in the Angkor complex in Siem Reap, Cambodia. This pyramid temple can be seen on the left side when traveling from Angkor Wat to Angkor Thom through the south gate. The name Baksei Chamkrong means the bird who shelters under its wings, and it comes from a legend. In it, the king tried to flee Angkor during a search, and then a huge bird landed and sheltered him under its wings. The temple was built during the reign of King Harshavarman I to dedicate to his father King Yasovarman I and god Shiva in the 10th century. And the completion of this temple was still under the rule of King Rajendravarman II in the mid of the 10th century. This temple used to have a brick enclosure originally surrounded the pyramid with a stone cupola on the east side that now almost completely disappeared. Baksei Chamkrong is one of the first temples constructed of durable materials such as bricks and laterite and with decoration in sandstone. The pyramid measures 27 meters across at the base and 15 at the summit for an overall height of 13 meters. 4 stairways reach the summit at the cardinal points. The brick sanctuary tower, 8 meters square on a sandstone base, open to the east with the usual blind doors on the other 3 sides. Much of the stucco on the surface of the temple has vanished. The main sandstone lintel is decorated with a fine carving of Indra standing on his 3-headed elephant, Airavata. Garlands emanate from either side of Indra in the style current to the monument. There is an inscription on either side of the small doorway which detail the dedication and praises the early Khmer king from Yasovarman II onward, as well as earlier legendary kings, including the ancestor of the nation, the hermit Kampuk and Mera. Inside the tower of the temple today, we see the relics of the deity Vishnu and the statue of the reclining Buddha, which may have been built in later times. There is an inscription on the pilaster of the east doorway which detailed the dedication and praises the pre-Angkorian Khmer kings such as King Srutravarman, King Rudravarman, and King Yasovarman. The inscription goes on to say that Yasovarman, the son of Indravarman, extended a vast territory bordering with the sea, Kingdom of Champa, and China, and he built a 5-tower temple and a huge barai. This is considered by scholars to be Phnom Bakheng Temple and Yasovarman. His two sons reigned in succession. His brother-in-law Rajendravarman IV established a new capital, present-day Khmer, and proclaimed to be a king there. At the end of the inscription describes that King Rajendravarman with his attributes and works in Angkor, and he dedicated a statue of Shiva in this temple. Baksei Chamkrong holds significant historical and cultural value, even though it is not as frequently visited as larger temples in the area. Visitors to this temple can appreciate its unique design, ancient symbolism, and the intriguing blend of Hindu architecture and Cambodian history.